Hello friends, see you again with
Gerri Channel.
How are you? I hope you are well. This time we will assemble the vehicle, friends. What vehicle? Do you know what vehicle this will be? Let's wrap. This is the part. This is a vehicle body. This is the wheel. This is pump machine. This is the bolt. This is a vehicle heart. And this is a screwdriver. Let's wrap. We put the hat on. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. Next, we install the pump machine. Install the bulb. Then we install the wheel. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. And finally, we attach the front. Install the bulb. Wow, it's finished! Do you know what vehicle is this? Yes, you're right. This is a firefighting vehicle. Its name is fire truck. Don't break your toys, friends. Take care and save it so you can play it again. See you again. Bye bye.